Hi everybody, thanks for tuning in to the video on this 2016 Ram. This particular Ram is a 2500, it's a 3/4 ton truck. Regular cab truck powered by the 6.4 liter Hemi engine. That's going to be the bigger gas engine offering for the 2500 truck from Ram. Starting off here in the front, it is the Tradesman trim level, so you're going to see a full black grille, black lower bumper, black tow hooks down there. Coming around to the side, going to see a 17-inch steel rim mounted up with a Firestone Transforce tire. Of course, that is a load range E 10-ply tire. Got your chrome running boards on it here. Goes the whole way back so you can step in, get things in and out of the back of that bed. Nice handy feature there. Does have the flip up tow mirrors here if you're towing a trailer that you want a little better view on. You can flip those up if you choose to do so. Continuing back here is the full 8-foot bed. Of course, that is the longest offering bed size you can get on either a 15 or a 2500 truck. Back here, you're going to see your Ram, your 4x4 badging, of course your hitch receiver down low. It is a 2.5-inch hitch receiver, but it does have a 2-inch insert that somebody actually welded in there. Not sure why that was done. If that was a deal breaker, we could probably put a new hitch on it. Might even be able to get that out. But like I said, if it's a deal breaker, if you need that 2.5-inch insert, either cut that out or put a new hitch on. Both your 4 and 7-pin wiring. Of course, the 7-pin wiring is going to lead to an integrated trailer brake on the inside of the cab. On the inside of the bed, a little dirty in there, but you do have a spray and bed liner in there. Your 4 standard tie downs. Continuing up this side of the truck, let's jump in the front here, see what we got. Power windows, locks, and mirrors in a standard fashion here on the door. Of course, you do have a vinyl seats, vinyl floors. Real easy to clean out, wipe down, things like that nature. Do have some wear on those. I'm going to go over the dents, dings, and imperfections. That'll be right at the end of the video. Jumping up into the cab here, we do have 2 keys. So all our vehicles with 2 keys, it's about a $250 value per key on these. So let's fire it up. Wait for everything to cycle through there. Just under 64,000 miles, so it is out of factory powertrain warranty. However, you have options to add both powertrain warranty and bumper-to-bumper warranty up to 10 years, 120,000 miles, whatever suits your needs. You can speak to your sales consultant or finance professional about that. Over here, you're going to have your menu navigation for that center information area there. Over on the right-hand side, you're going to have your cruise control items. Coming in here, of course, your transfer case controls here. That integrated brake controller that I talked about. You do have some auxiliary switches here if you chose to hook up lights or other things of that nature. You can hook those up to these auxiliary switches. Of course, standard AC controls, does have air conditioning, AM, FM radio on this. Looking over here inside the glove compartment, there's some wiring harnesses that came with the truck, as well as the results of the multi-point inspection. Those wiring harnesses are just if you wanted to hook up some variety of accessory, something that would have came with the truck new. Taking a quick look here. While it was in our shop, we did do an oil change. We also replaced the engine air filter. That's going to give you better fuel economy as well as performance. Tires are all 6/32, so about three times the PA state minimum all around. And the brakes are 14 bonded in the front, 15 bonded in the rear, which is nearly brand new. Lots of good wearables there. Last part here before we get out of the truck, we're going to take a quick look at the Carfax. No accidents or damage reported to Carfax. It is a one-owner vehicle registered as a corporate vehicle in the state of Pennsylvania for its entire life. So as promised, at the end of the videos, we always go over any dents, dings, or imperfections. This truck definitely has a couple marks on it. It has been used to work. So I'm going to try to show you some of those marks. The reason we do this part of the video, a lot of our customers do come from a long way away. We like to be as straightforward as we possibly can. Of course, we do recondition our used vehicles to a high standard. But some trucks like this are meant to work and have done some work. So you do have some wear on the steering wheel here, a couple marks on the seats, some wear and tear on the seats there. Coming down, we'll just start here in the front and work our way around. I did notice on the bumper there's a pretty sizable dent right here. Coming back this side, a couple small chips. Marks here on the bed rail cap. Like I said, inside the bed, pretty dirty there. Continuing back around. Going to see a couple more dents here on this bumper as well. Dents on the tailgate up here top. Yeah, looks to be about it. Overall, a couple marks on the truck. It's been used to work. It's designed to work. If you're looking for some kind of a contractor application, things like that, that 8-foot bed is going to give you tons of space. Still has all the power windows, locks, and mirrors. Of course, has those flip-up tow mirrors that are nice when you're towing a larger trailer, especially the enclosed type. If you'd like to stop out, take a look at it, you can see us at 21518 Great Cove Road in McCallsburg, Pennsylvania. Visit us online at allthingsautomotive.com or give us a call, 717-485-4224. Thank you very much for watching the video. Hope you found it to be informative.